Funded and focused feature. Are you a business owner looking to support your business with grant funding? So today I'm breaking down the grant writing process in just 2 minutes so you can go from idea to funded project fast. So step 1, get your business in order. Make sure your business is legally registered, your taxes are up to date, and you have a bank account in your business name. Donors want to fund legitimate, compliant businesses. Step 2, prepare a strong business profile. This means a clear business plan, your team structure, products or services, and financial projections. Think of it as your business story. Show why you're unique and ready to grow. Step 3, write a compelling project proposal. Start with the problem you're solving. Set clear objectives. Show how you'll implement your plan and include a detailed budget. Donors who give grants love to see exactly how every dollar will make an impact. Step 4, that word impact is important. So align your grant request with donor priorities. Whether it's the United Nations, the World Bank, the Caribbean Development Bank, or USAID, your project should match their goals, not yours, theirs. So if it's women-led businesses and innovation, climate resilience, community development, find out where they are putting money. Step 5, provide supporting documents. This includes references, proof of impact, financial statements, and letters of partnership. The more evidence you give, the stronger your application. And finally, submit with confidence. Follow the donor's guidelines. They're not going to adjust to you. You need to adjust to them. Meet the deadlines and proofread your application. Remember, grant writing is not just asking for money. It's telling a story of growth, impact, and opportunity. Use this checklist, prepare your business, and get ready to take your venture to the next level. Funding is out there. It's time to go get it.